I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp ceviche. First, ensure your shrimp is very fresh and properly cleaned. You'll need about 1 pound of raw, peeled, and deveined shrimp. The key to ceviche is the marinating process, where citrus acids transform the shrimp. We'll combine the shrimp with fresh lime juice, allowing it to cook thoroughly before adding other vibrant ingredients. This method ensures a delicious and safe dish. To begin, take 1 pound of raw, peeled, and deveined shrimp. Cut larger shrimp into smaller, bite-sized pieces for even marination. Place the shrimp in a non-reactive bowl, such as glass. Pour 1 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice over the shrimp, ensuring it is fully submerged. Stir gently, then refrigerate for about 20 minutes. The shrimp will change from translucent to opaque, signifying it has been cooked by the acid. Once your shrimp is perfectly marinated, it's time to introduce the fresh vegetables. Finely dice 1 small red onion, 1 jalapeno pepper, remove seeds for less heat, and 2 ripe tomatoes. Chop about 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. Gently fold these vibrant ingredients into the shrimp and lime mixture. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste, adjusting as needed to enhance the natural flavors of the ceviche. Your delicious shrimp ceviche is now ready to be served. For the best experience, serve it chilled in a beautiful bowl. It pairs wonderfully with crispy tortilla chips, tostadas, or even as a light salad. Garnish with fresh avocado slices or a dash of your favorite hot sauce for an extra kick. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home entertainment. Enjoy your homemade ceviche.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.